Let us introduce ourselves, O people of this land. We are the Warner Brothers.
With sister close at hand.
I bet all of you are wondering, who's this young unknown? And why am I inheriting the Anvils throne? Yes, why? Yes, why? Oh, please, please tell us why. The bottom of the family tree starts with Yakko, that is me. I'm the cousin to the sisters of the niece's brother of the uncle's sister's mother, and the grandpa's only cousin was the king's daughter's sibling. But they're all gone, so that is why I am now your king. He is now our king. Yes, I am now your king. Repeat what I just said. Repeat what I just said. And let the anvils ring. Anvils. What's for Anvils? So, good citizens, I pledge to you, I'll do the best that I can do for honor, country, and the king. Let the anvils ring. Let the anvils ring. Let the anvils ring.